Claude Code.
Claude Code.
Claude Code.
Claude Code.
Claude Code.
The Claude Code revolution.
In 2026, Claude Code has completely changed the game, so n8n is pretty much redundant now. Now, if you're still using n8n and building out these old-fashioned automations, I'm going to show you how Claude Code can be used within businesses. And I'm actually going to show you how to sell these systems to clients as well. Now, you'll be surprised. I'm not going to tell you that you don't need n8n at all, but I'm going to show you this one trick that means you don't even need to learn n8n. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Rahul, and I run a six-figure AI automation agency based in London, but I'm currently traveling the world and building my business portfolio from Asia. And recently, I've just started coaching a small cohort of AI agency owners one-to-one. So if you want to learn exactly how to build real AI systems that clients actually pay for, then click the top link in the description below to book in a free AI consultation call. So now let's get right into the video. So a lot of people are saying n8n versus Claude Code. But does that really matter in the grand scheme of things? You need to understand, what does the client actually care about? They don't care whether you use n8n, they don't care whether you use Claude Code. But obviously value is the outcome that is delivered. And I also don't look at this as n8n versus Claude Code. They're two very different tools. n8n is a workflow automation tool, and Claude Code is a system that allows you to interact with several different tools. For example, interacting with n8n or interacting with your CRM. That is what Claude Code is built to do. Despite the name Claude Code and the word code in the name, you can obviously use it to code. And in essence, when you feed it a prompt, it is just creating different scripts and executing different scripts to complete different actions. That is what it's doing on a low level. But that is not something you need to be concerned about, because you just interact with the tool using natural language. So the reason why it's not n8n versus Claude Code is because they're doing different things. Now, the way I like to see it is it's a stack, right? You have templates, you have n8n, and you also have Claude Code. Those work synonymously together, right? Claude Code can integrate with n8n, and you can just tell Claude Code what you want it to build, and it will build it in n8n for you. So you no longer need to learn n8n. You don't need to spend hours understanding how it works. You just have Claude Code, which has abstracted everything down so you understand exactly how things work. If you're confused about why something's not working, all you have to do is ask Claude Code. It's integrated with your n8n just by giving the API key, and then you can just ask it various questions. So it was never a matter of n8n versus Claude Code, but it's n8n and Claude Code working together. So I guess once you understand that, anything that you build out for clients is never a matter of stating what tools you're using. It's always a matter of highlighting the outcome. What can you actually deliver for the client? What is the value? And how much ROI do you deliver for what you're charging? That is literally all they care about. So for a lot of you guys who are beginners, this is where you're probably getting stuck. You've pitched a client on a certain system. You go ahead and build it out for them. Now, the way you build it out is you're just copying it from the internet, looking at YouTube, following a tutorial, building it out, but it breaks, right? And from there, you're stuck as to how you can actually use it and how you can actually fix it to get it working again for the client. So this is exactly the problem. You're building out systems the old-fashioned way, using n8n or make.com, and you're not looking at tools like Claude Code, Codex, or Hermes, which can actually automate the production process for you. Can automate the entire process of fulfilling a system for a client, which is absolutely insane. So what you want to be doing in order to implement rigid systems for your clients is you want to start by learning the fundamentals. So just understand APIs, webhooks, logic. This is something you can cover in a few hours and just get a high-level understanding of it. And then you can move on to n8n. Just get a high-level understanding of what n8n actually does. The main work comes with Claude Code. Claude Code is where you can build out custom systems and agentic systems for clients. And ultimately, you don't really need to have a detailed understanding of the fundamentals or of n8n to be able to use Claude Code and build out these systems. Because, like I mentioned, Claude Code abstracts that entire system down for you, so you just plug it into these different tools and you can have it build out what you want for your clients. So now with the introduction of Claude Code, the main value comes from understanding the client's problem, understanding what tools would actually solve that problem so you're able to fix that problem in the right way. It comes down to computational and logical thinking. You need to understand exactly what the client is looking for and be able to map a solution and outcome across to that problem. That is something that systems like Claude Code don't necessarily do to a very good standard as of yet. So this is the process that you want to follow. You need to understand the job. What does the client actually need? What delivers them the value and the outcome? Then you can use both n8n and Claude Code and integrate them together to build the system that solves that task that you're looking to accomplish and ultimately delivers that outcome and delivers the value for your client. So now if you're running an AI agency, the value comes from understanding the tools and understanding the problem and understanding how to frame that in the right way to solve it for your client and deliver the most value. So that is exactly where your job comes in. You no longer need to go through those YouTube tutorials and figure out how to use n8n or make.com and actually build out these systems manually. You just need to know how to leverage Claude Code and plug it into these different tools like n8n and build out these workflows and systems in a reliable way for your clients. So if you haven't been using Claude Code, then I highly recommend you look into it. I've got a ton of videos on my channel which you can go through and get a better understanding of how Claude Code works and how you can actually leverage it for yourself. But this was just a quick video to explain that the debate is not between n8n or Claude Code, but it's how you can use both of them, because you will need to use both of them and they both serve different purposes. But apart from that, if you're currently running an AI agency or looking to launch one for yourself, I've opened a small cohort of one-to-one AI coaching spots. So if you click the top link in the description below, you can book in a call and we can help you actually grow your own AI agency. That is not just on the tech side, but also helping you with the customer acquisition, so the lead generation, the outreach, and the marketing to help you scale that business and replace your 9-to-5 so you can travel the world just like I am. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.